I'm giving up on you. And I'll be the one if you want me to.
Anywhere I would have followed you.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I am feeling so small. It was over my head.
I know nothing at all.
And I would stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love,
And just starting to crawl.
say something, I'm giving up on you. I'm sorry that I couldn't get to you. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, I'm giving up on you.
Well done, Sharon and Brandon. You did me proud. Stop. Don't get me going. Don't get me going. I know what you're like. Michelle, what did you make of these two?
I mean, being a parent, you feel the love from mother to mother for your child, but it's just so beautiful because not only do you feel the love, but your voices go so beautifully together, and you upped it even more from the original audition, and I absolutely loved it.
Denise, you were moved like many people.
Yeah, I mean, your voices blend lovely together, as Michelle said, but for me, it's the feeling that goes into it. It's so moving, and the connection between the two of you, it's just wonderful. I loved it.
Jason?
Yeah, normally when we've seen acts like this before, one is better than the other, but the two of you are equally as good. And the chemistry is amazing. I know you're mother and son, but the chemistry as singers is fantastic. And you've set the bar for Mother's Day way too high. We're absolutely, what are we going to do now? Well done. You're beautiful.
Louis, what did you think?
Sharon and Brandon, it was magical. Your voices just blend, and you got to everybody here. I mean, I could feel the reaction from the audience here. You've got something special, guys. This is not just anybody singing. You are very, very special, and you got to know that.
Thank you, judges. Has it been a crazy few weeks for you guys?
Oh, it's been amazing. Like, just the support we're getting is just amazing.
Yeah, I just want to thank everyone for the support that myself and Brandon have been getting. We can't believe we're here, so it's just amazing. Thank you very much.
You cannot beat a mother's love. Now, if you want to see my Golden Buzzer act, Sharon and Brandon, in the final, then vote for them by calling 1513 71 8866 or text S and B, so that is SANDB, to 53307. The vote doesn't open until after the last act has performed. Please don't vote before the lines are open because your vote won't count, but you still may be charged. Or, yes. Let's hear it one more time for the brilliant Sharon and Brandon.
Come on, standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I want to talk to you for just a little while. Before I make my move, my emotions start running wild. My tongue gets tied Girl, I wanna make you
Okay,
sweat.
guys.
Sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry.
Okay, what we're gonna
I'm
do
gonna
is,
push the
Philip.
trombone.
Hi.
Girl,
You're doing a great job, but because it's the last act, we're gonna do it one more time. Do we agree?
Yeah, that's
Are you happy? Are you ready?
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
How are your girlfriends? Okay. Give it socks.
Okay. Standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I want to talk to you for just a little while. Before I make my move, my emotions start running wild. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. Looking in your eyes, looking in your big brown eyes. Oh yeah, girl, I just got to say it to you, yeah. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Sha-la-la-la-la-long, sha-la-la-la-la-long, long. Come on, sha-la-la-la-la-long, sha-la-la-la-la-long, long. Hey! So I said to myself, does she love me or no? Before the red lock knows that love is not to get. With a little bit of this and a little bit of that, the lyrics go on the attack. My tongue gets tied, and that's no lie. Looking in your eyes, looking in your big brown eyes. Oh yeah, girl, I just got to say it to you, yeah. Hey girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Hey girl, I wanna make you sweat, sweat till you can't sweat no more. And if you cry out, I'm gonna push it some more. Sha-la-la-la-la-long, sha-la-la-la-la-long, long. Come on, sha-la-la-la-la-long, sha-la-la-la-la-long, long. Yeah.
Well done. Well done, Philip. Live telly, eh? Okay, Jason.
Oh, it was awful.
Well, we think you enjoyed it with your dad dancing.
Philly Murphy. Oh man, absolutely deadly. That was rapid, all the words. You are amazing. I loved you. So entertaining.
Oh, Denise.
Great.
Oh, well, you had me up dancing. I really enjoyed it. I'm not sure if it was as strong as your first audition, but... No, but I will say, even still, I loved it, and I loved the song choice, and I know you had a little hiccup at the beginning, but it doesn't matter now. You rock this place.
Louis?
Philip, I love reggae music, and you obviously love all that type of reggae stuff. Listen, it's brilliant. You're 72, and you're having a great time. Nothing wrong with that.
Absolutely.
Michelle.
Do you know what, Philip? You're 72 years old. You're up on this stage singing reggae music, like I said, in Ireland, living your best life. What is not to love about you?
Bing bang.
Exactly. Thank you, judges. Well done, Philip.